Hi everyone, I'm Audrey and this is It's Odd. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm really glad you're all here. So in today's video, we are going to do a steak salad. This steak is made with top sirloin. That's a really easy fast fry sort of meat, beef. I'm just putting it with some balsamic and garlic and rosemary. I think you're gonna love it. So without much more chatter, let's get cooking. Hi everyone, I am back with a taste test of the steak for the steak salad. So for my steak salads, I usually just use a mix of coleslaw mix, romaine lettuce, maybe cucumbers, whatever I have in the fridge that particular day. And then this meat is a nice accompaniment to any of that. This meat is also really good if you just want to put it in a wrap for a lunch or just as a side with cauli rice or other vegetables or whatever you want, steamed broccoli. It's just really tasty all around. I'll show you sort of, it's pretty dark, what it looks like. It's just dark, it's meat. I'll give you a taste. I really like this one because it is easy to put together. It's also very forgiving, so you can do more or less garlic, more or less rosemary, more or less balsamic, it doesn't really matter. Same with the salt, so sometimes really good tender. It's also really good cold or hot, so you can make it right away and eat it, or it's good just in the fridge, so it's good for a prep meal as well. And that's what I'm doing with this week is I'll make salads for lunches, for work lunches this week, and Asher really likes this one too, so he'll have salads as well, and we might do it one night for dinner as well. So that's great. I highly recommend this one. I think you guys will really like it. If you don't want to cut it up and fry it, you can just grill the whole piece of meat. It's just not quite as flavorful because when you cut it up into small pieces and then put the balsamic in the pan to cook it down, it gets all over all of the little pieces of meat. If you fry it or if you grill it in a big steak format, then you're not getting that flavor in as much of the meat. So I like it this way. I hope you'll try it. Let me know if you do. If you have another one that you'd like me to try or a reno that you'd like me to do, let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, I'll see you next time.